Hey everyone, and welcome to IsmsByJBM. Today we're going to be doing part 2 of my unboxing for Hepnailz, and I'm going to be doing a Pac-Man design. For my returning subscribers, thank you so much for tuning in, and for my new viewers, please consider subscribing, share, hit that like button, leave a comment below, and click on that notification bell for future videos. So I'm starting off with the Hepnailz Gel Art Liner number 23. I have previously put a black background, and I'm not going to show who that was because it's not Hepnailz, but I'm just going to draw the Pac-Man game board on my nails today. So these are the neon collection. So I thought that I would kind of do something different. I know I already did a neon sign design. So instead I'm going to do this game because it gave me neon vibes, at least when I was playing the game. So we're going to do something like that. So I'm just going to start laying out this board. As I'm doing this, I'm thinking I might need my handy dandy palette ring and a ball tool because I want to create the little circles that the pellets that the Pac-Man eats, and I know I'm not going to achieve that using a liner brush because I'm looking for perfect circles. So like I did in a previous neon lights design, I'm going to do this all in white, and then I'm going to cover it with color. So we've got that one big one that makes him turn into invisible? I don't know, blinky? And then I'm going to do the little ones that he eats for points. And this one is just going to be like a simple okay. Now I got to draw the board itself. So this is what I'm going to use the liner for. just took some blooming gel and I put a layer of this all over the nail because I'm going to be coloring this in. So what I have here, I have some blooming gel. I have number 24 in the gel outliner, and then I'm going to be using number 20. So I guess in the number 20, I'm just going to go over some of these white lines. I'm going to try not to have too much on my brush. So I just have to, and it's another straight line. I'm going to start at the top, drag it all the way to the bottom, and let the blooming gel do its thing. So this is what it's looking like after I cure it. I'm gonna complete these 3 nails and then move on to the thumbnail. But I'm really liking how the color is popping out of that background. And I'm not sure if the camera can pick it up, but you can see it's kind of feathering out, giving it that glow look with the blooming gel. Yeah, so we're just gonna complete this. I'm going to use 27 for Pac-Man. I'm going to use liner number 27 for Pac-Man. Now I'm going to be using gel liner number 18, gel liner number 26, and gel liner number 25 to do the ghosts. It's going to be just Pac-Man across here. So I'm just going to take this liner and I'm going to do the backdrop for it. The background of this sign is like an orange with a border of red, but when you put white in the background, it just makes it pop more. So that's why I'm just going to do the white background first. Next, I'm going to use liners 22 and 19. And here is my Hepnailz gel art liner design featuring Pac-Man. Look how vibrant these colors are. And I didn't put a top coat, so I didn't want to wash out all that texture that we put in there, but let's have a close-up. Here are those nails close up. It looks so neon-y. Neon-y. So cute, you guys. Well, thank you so much for joining me today. This is IsmsByJBM. Please share, like, and subscribe for future videos. And I'll see you again next time. Thanks. Bye.